Hello friends, my name is Malcolm and I'm one of the tutors with PTE-Tutorials.com Aussies group. And the big announcement is that very soon I'm coming with a live master class on PTE. That's right. The dates are the 3rd of August and the 4th of August. So that's very conveniently a Saturday and a Sunday. The class has been divided into 2 days, 4 hours on each day. And I'll be covering in detail all the modules of PT. Yes, all the 20 tasks in PT will be covered, all the techniques and all the strategies. The main aim of this masterclass is for students who are not in Australia and are still trying to get their desired score, who are very close to their target score of 6 each or 7 each or 8 each. And I'll try my best to make you all understand like what are the core techniques, the main fundamentals on which you can get a very high score in PTE, because after all it's a software, so you should know how to take the test correctly. So get ready friends, and to register please click on the link below. Remember the dates, it's the 3rd and the 4th of August and I'll be there with you. Thank you.